Recently, there was a video of a Michael Jackson impersonator that went viral with over 28 million views. I saw it and I said, I must have him here. So please welcome.
You are entitled to also opinion. But I feel that you binum say onye ahonya na there. It can be, that's natural Ghana thing of yo opinion you were here for nothing, and that's kind of thing, and we are exhibiting that.
Where did you come from, baby? And ooh.
DJ Paco Rich.
Okay, welcome to my channel. One my video
Recently, there was a video of a Michael Jackson impersonator that went viral with over 28 million views. I saw it and I said, I must have him here. So please welcome Jeff.
And there, Obroni, why the same thing? But Obi, I'm friend and all kita stop it platforms. But Ghana, your media houses in be free when you invite the lookalikes for kings now. We went out calling some of these media houses stupid, foolish, idiots, the Winyamians and all that. Well, I don't blame them because they have no idea what it means to create content. You understand? Yeah, it'll be a whole new content creation and all that. But you see, I feel that we are over dramatizing this whole lookalike issue. Sabi, I don't expect you to agree with me. I mean, that's my opinion. You are entitled to also opinion. But I feel that you binum say onye ahonya na there. It can be, that's natural Ghana thing of yo obinum you were here for nothing, and that's kind of thing, and we are exhibiting that. You understand? Yanshe, are you very much aware that these boys are also Ibinum was source of entertainment? You might like the original, the King Promise, the Medicals, the Mr. Jew, and the Kwame Eugene, but somebody also take delight in the comic side of what these boys are doing. One, keep this here. I'm not promoting or supporting the fact that one for Kwame Eugene isn't, and Mr. Drew isn't another, family another, and one for Kobo show when just no, that is not even the issue here. But Marisha there, this thing we call doubles, lookalikes, and stuntsmen and all that, do we understand the role they also play in the entertainment industry? Look, go online and make a serious research about what some of these guys can also do in the entertainment industry. Even music video directors, they can be very creative enough to incorporate this guy in making videos even for the original artist. Filmmaking and all that. Into me who actors out now worry boys now, but you know what we are doing? We are doing something that it will get to a point when a director does a script, not on here a look-alike of somebody, not on finding a bibimpa. People will be afraid to come out because at the end of the day, Ghanaians will insult them. These are young guys. You can clearly see there. One, they were not ready for the fame in the fame now, but one into two or but for one. So they might behave in certain way beyond your professional kaka. But what can we do as an industry? Why don't we take it upon ourselves to educate them and place them at the exact position that we use now what's our boy than to make them feel like Sabi, were you criminals, were you in reform? I mean, listen to some of these conversations where you could clearly see that sometimes they are even forced to accept this lookalikes based on the people around them, the audience around them. You and I know that a cop should also be baby. Look at how Ankasa naturally you react to it. Sometimes you get excited, sometimes you get wow and all that. Inti sa boy si sabi wenga confidence kakrana wazi ye bibia. Naza worry yenimpo, they are moving out of the path. Why don't we bring them in the right line and even direct them on how to be creative and how they can monetize what they are doing without hurting other people or without interrupting on other people's crafts? Mama kana, just imagine, direct a script. Now we need somebody to play a double role of somebody, which even the main character can be in. We still sometimes need these people, but when we keep on doing this, Sabi won't be those so be now a creative director. Now didn't create something very nice, like we have seen Entamoti doing pranks and all that. Oh yeah, pranks, Shatter look alike, Black Sheriff look alike, and all that. We were happy about this. We were watching it. You see, some of these things and Obisha, no problem. So when you nampun or to me killing. When these guys came out, some of these bloggers have made a lot of revenue out of these guys. And you are still ranting, yeah, one more, when you want fewer. You are a hypocrite. Let's channel our energy to put them on the right path. That is all that I want to see. Make your research, kakra, me share Nigeria. They have the look-alike of the video. And some of the mainstream skit makers and comedy people have involved him in making great content, which is exciting enough to give that guy a life. It's obvious. We are saying boy too much for somebody to be able to differentiate between a fake and an original. That's wanna boy see warakasa. You people should look deep into their eyes. They are harmless. They are thirsty for fame. Some of them are musicians that wish to have these ears, people to listen to. It will come how difficult it is to get the attention of the media. We have seen celebrities away pull out a lot of stunts just to get attention. And so if naturally their looks have brought this to them, let us not lambast them, go hard at them. They were you fool, were you dumb? No. Let me tell you, Beyonce, where we SS, they are still young. Let's sit them down. Let's talk to them. Charlie, you have the physique of this artist and all that. But you need to do this. You need to do that. You don't need to do this. Let's talk to them. So that when we need them, the same industry needs them for other things. Just imagine, okay, King Promise is having a concert. His stage act. Before you know, or let's say Kwame Eugene is having a concert, because on a year were a lot of lookalikes of him. And I'm the creative director for that concert. I come up with the idea, okay, before we bring Kwame Eugene on stage, we are going to create some sensational. Okay, before you know, one lookalike will be singing from the back. One lookalike will be singing from the backstage. One lookalike will be singing coming from the ceiling. From, let's say, 10 lookalikes of Kwame Eugene all coming to the stage. And then maybe we might have an underground stage. The main Kwame Eugene, if you are.
DJ Paco Rich.